To making a tandoori chicken, the whole one, okay, we'll have to cut it very quick. So remove the winglets like this. The wings you can keep both sides, and then make a slit here like this. Run your fingers in between. So once you run the fingers, you can just easily take it out like removing the clothes. Just pull it back, see? So, and try not to break the skin, so you get nice grip to pull it down. So both sides, and then work towards the breast side, with the thumb finger. Roll it like this, quick. So you got to this wing side, just pull it down again. This will be a bit tight, so even some skin is attached to the wings, it's good enough. Or you can do with the knives, just pull it down like this, because here this the skin is very tight to the body, that's why it breaks. Okay, just pull it down. So for the wing side, you can just use your knife and then take it off. So now it's clean. If you want to remove the extra fat from here, you can just remove it. And some moisture, it will give moisture as well, so you can leave it. So now just running the breast, you do for the tandoori chicken like this. So it goes inside but in a length way, like this. It cooks faster, and then all the marinade will go inside. Repeat on the other side. So just deep inside to touch the bone, and then here there is a wing bone. If you scrape it here, you can find it. So normally when you carve it, this will come into your mouth, and it can hinder. So you can just remove the bones. So if you scrape it and then put your finger here, you can just break it and remove these bones. For the leg, we do like this, towards the bone. Just ensure you cut just next to the bone, so you remove the joints like this, so it cooks the same way. You can do other side, and here you do like this. 1, 2, 3. Careful with your hand. Then here. So for the first marinade, ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, chili powder, 2 teaspoons, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. Just mix it. Salt, lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Make a paste, nice paste. Then apply to the chicken, inside, everywhere. The best is if you can marinate like this and leave it in the fridge for overnight, at least 8 hours, it's well and good. Otherwise you can make it straight away. So it's ready, and then you can leave it in the fridge for 8 hours at least. For the second marination for tandoori chicken, yogurt. If you have a Greek yogurt, use Greek yogurt. And if it's not hanged, if it's slightly loose, I advise, it's my kind of thing, I use a bit of corn flour. So that gives a thickness, and it just stick to the body of the chicken when we roast it. So corn flour, chili powder, black pepper powder. Chili powder is 1 teaspoon, and black pepper powder, it's 1/4 teaspoon. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Garam masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Karam powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Now mix it, make a paste. Without any lumps. So now once the paste is made, add in plain oil. 1 tablespoon is good enough. Nice shine it will give to the marinade. and when we cook it, it gives a nice color and a nice moisture to the chicken. So now the chicken is rested properly, the first marinade. Now we're going to add the second marinade. Just apply nicely. So now the chicken is done. Now with the second marinade, leave it for at least half an hour before you cook it. So the oven is preheated. If it's a domestic oven, it should be about 250. On the grill, you place it like this, so you can turn both sides. Put extra whatever marinade left on the pan, just apply it nicely, and then bake it for 10 minutes. So now we need to bake it at around 250 on a domestic oven, and then for 10 minutes on a high heat, 250. Then we will bring it down to 180 and leave it for at least 20 more minutes, so it will be fully cooked. So leave it like this in the oven, 270 for 10 minutes. So the chicken is fully cooked. Now it's ready. If you want to carve it, you can carve it and present it, or you can give it whole like this.